our last story right here, and we're announcing the death of Leonid Radvinsky, who is the billionaire owner of OnlyFans, and he has reportedly passed away at the age of 43 following a prolonged battle with cancer. Now, the company confirmed in an official statement in March, or on March 23rd, 2026, Radvinsky, a Ukrainian-American entrepreneur who acquired OnlyFans parents platform into a global digital powerhouse, particularly during the COVID-19 pandemic, when it saw a surge in creators and subscribers. Now, he's also known for maintaining a relatively private life despite his immense wealth, and he also involved in philanthropic efforts, including donations toward cancer research. Oh, may his gentle soul rest in perfect peace. My name is Adjo Frimpoma, and this is what we have for you today on MX Breaks on MX24 TV. Remember, what do you think about these stories? Coach Sheldon and medical are at it, and also Circle of Life, composer trying to sue this comedian. There's a lot that I know that you can say about this, so go on our social media pages and let our comment section be fire. Okay, let it brew. My name is Adjo Frimpoma. One more time, I'll come your way same time tomorrow. Signing out. Bye-bye.